Welcome back to another Dollar Tree review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Daily Defense Shampoo and Conditioner with Macadamia oil. Now, you get 16 fluid ounces. They're $1 each at the Dollar Tree. I know that some Dollar Generals are carrying Daily Defense now, and you can still pick it up for $1 there. The scent on this shampoo and conditioner is okay in my opinion. I'm not the biggest fan of it. I would rather... And the only other Daily Defense shampoo I have to compare this to is the coconut one with the coconut oil. That's my favorite. I purchased that 3 separate occasions. I love it that much for my hair. I do have a full review on that, so check the description box out for additional Dollar Tree links. So keep you busy the rest of summer, you guys. I'm serious. There's tons of links. If you love the Dollar Tree, please subscribe also. I'm just not a big fan of this macadamia oil kind of scent, you know, but that's just me. That's personal. If you like that, you may love this for the scent alone. Both of the shampoo and conditioner are a thick white shampoo and conditioner consistency. It's not liquidy, it's not watery, it's not very cheap. The packaging also looks more expensive than $1. I feel like you would find, it doesn't necessarily look like you would find this product in the Dollar Tree versus, say, Walmart or something like that. I love the packaging. I love it. That little pops of gold and the little pictures, the green, the brown, it just all meshes well together. I love the packaging. I will say the scent does not linger in your hair. I used this and the scent was literally gone like the next morning. Just no scent there. So I'm not really a fan of that because I like to wash my hair once a week, sometimes twice depending. And I want the scent to linger. Like my Suave lasts all week in my hair. I like the almond one, and I like the coconut oil Suave, and I like the Daily Defense coconut one, and they last a long time in your hair, and I like that. Now, the shampoo claims, this is the claims on the back, that it rebuilds and restores your hair, leaving your hair more manageable with less frizz. Let's talk about that for a minute. That is my main issue with the shampoos and conditioner right here. They talk about being manageable and less frizz, and that's one of the first things I wrote down that I noticed about this product that I did not like. It did not control frizz. My hair was, it didn't detangle either. So let's just talk about these as a whole. Okay, so the conditioner says it defends against split ends. I did not use it long enough to determine whether or not that's true. I do not know, cannot speak for that particular part of this review. I just used this a couple times to get the feel to do the review, and I just don't like the product, so I don't want to use it anymore. The conditioner did detangle a bit, but honestly, my hair was very hard to brush. I have naturally curly hair. My hair is very long, and I like to wear my hair in really long braids, or I will wear it up. Sometimes I'll wear it down naturally curly, kind of wavy look with some gel and stuff. I love that, but this I found when I was brushing my hair out, it was difficult. It did not detangle very well, and then after my hair dried, I was wearing a braid, and the tail of the braid was super dry and hay-like. And that's not normal when I use my other shampoos. They're very moisturizing, conditioning, things like that, and help with the frizz. This did nothing for the frizz, you guys. Now, this is my personal experience and my personal opinion. Some of you may love this product. It just did not work for my personal needs. And one of them being that the main issue was frizz. Then when I took my hair out of the braid, it was super everywhere, I mean uncontrollable kind of frizz, and it just didn't look good. And I would not use this shampoo to, or knowing that I was going to wear my hair down, just because of the amount of frizz that I had. And it was so dry, like my hair was really dry. Like it seemed like the conditioner didn't do enough for moisturizing or conditioning in that sense. And the shampoo did nothing for the frizz. So overall, I don't recommend this product, especially if you have thick, long hair, curly hair, natural curly hair like mine. Personally, it did not work for me. I'm not a fan. But that doesn't mean it didn't work for your hair needs. I'm just, like I said, once again, I'm just sharing my personal experience with the product, and I just don't want to use it again personally because of the frizz and the detangling issues, and the scent don't linger. Not that they're not good products, and I'm sure that they are for someone else out there, but just for me, they did not work. That just because they didn't work for me doesn't mean it won't work for you. I mean, I definitely still always recommend trying the Dollar Tree products, whether or not I like them or not, just because of the fact that they're $1. You know, try them out if you want to try them out. But this personally is not going to be a repurchase in my future, and I'm going to go ahead and pass this on to my mom. So that's the review. Sucks that it was a somewhat negative one, you guys. I am sorry about that. I thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already. Don't miss any other upcoming Dollar Tree videos from me. Also check that description box again. Tons of Dollar Tree links, like I said before. And thank you guys always for watching.